meditation on unhappiness. In industrialized countries, one sees many unhappy people. They have everything they need, enjoy all the conditions required for a comfortable life, and yet they are not content with their lot. They make themselves unhappy through jealousy or for all sorts of other reasons. Certain people are continually on the alert for a cataclysm, while others believe the end of the world is nigh. Such people manufacture their own suffering because they are unable to think sanely. If only they changed their ways of seeing things, their torment would disappear. Ah, words to meditate on. We do create our reality. Choose happiness. Mwah.